you tired of feeling lost at the gym? Do you want to build a workout plan that will help you achieve your fitness goals? In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a customized workout plan that works for you, so you can get the most out of your time at the gym and start seeing real results. So, step 1 in building a workout plan is to determine your fitness goals and assess your current fitness level. This is an important step because it will help you create a workout plan that is tailored to your specific needs and will be more effective in helping you achieve your desired results. To determine your fitness goals, ask yourself what you want to achieve through your workouts. Do you want to build muscle, lose weight, improve your cardiovascular health, or all of the above? Once you have identified your goals, you can then assess your current fitness level by evaluating your strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall health. This will help you determine what types of exercises you should include in your workout plan and how much time you should dedicate to each type of exercise. It's important to be realistic about your fitness level and your goals, and to create a workout plan that is challenging but achievable. By taking the time to assess your fitness goals and current level, you can create a workout plan that is customized to your needs and will help you achieve your desired results. Step 2 in building a workout plan is to choose the types of exercises you want to include in your plan. This will depend on your fitness goals and your personal preferences. Some common types of exercises include strength training, cardio, yoga, Pilates, and HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Strength training exercises are designed to build muscle and increase strength, while cardio exercises are designed to improve cardiovascular health and burn calories. Yoga and Pilates are great for improving flexibility and balance, and HIIT workouts are designed to burn fat and improve endurance. When choosing exercises to include in your workout plan, it's important to consider your fitness level and any medical conditions or injuries you may have. You should also choose exercises that you enjoy and that will keep you motivated to stick with your workout plan. A good workout plan should include a variety of exercises that work different muscle groups and provide a balanced workout. You can also mix up your workouts to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Step 3 in building a workout plan is to create a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and allows you to achieve your fitness goals. This schedule should include the types of exercises you have chosen and should be designed to challenge you without causing burnout or injury. When creating your workout schedule, consider your workout schedule, family obligations, and other commitments. You should also consider your fitness level and how much time you can realistically dedicate to your workouts. A good workout schedule should include a balance of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises, and should be designed to help you achieve your fitness goals over time. It's also important to be flexible with your workout schedule and to make adjustments as needed. If you miss a workout, don't stress about it. Just get back on track the next day. You should also be open to trying new exercises and workouts to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. The 4th step in building a workout plan is to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Tracking your progress is important because it allows you to see how far you've come and identify areas where you may need to make adjustments to your workout plan. There are many ways to track your progress, including taking measurements of your body, tracking your weight, recording your workouts in a fitness journal, or using a fitness app or wearable device. By tracking your progress, you can monitor changes in your body composition, strength, endurance, and overall fitness level. This information can help you identify areas where you may need to make adjustments to your workout plan, such as increasing the intensity of your workouts or adding more variety to your routine. In addition to tracking your progress, it's important to adjust your workout plan as needed. As your fitness level improves, you may need to increase the intensity or duration of your workouts to continue making progress. You may also need to adjust your workout plan if you experience an injury or if your schedule changes. When making adjustments to your workout plan, it's important to do so gradually and to listen to your body. If you try to do too much too soon, you may risk injury or burnout. Instead, make small changes to your workout plan over time and pay attention to how your body responds. By tracking your progress and adjusting your workout plan as needed, you can stay on track to achieve your fitness goals and continue making progress over time. Remember that building a workout plan is a process, and it's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your desired results and enjoy the many benefits of a healthy and active lifestyle. The fifth step in building a workout plan is to stay motivated and committed to your plan over the long term. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially if you experience setbacks or if you don't see results right away. Remember, there are many strategies you can use to stay motivated and committed to your workout plan. One strategy is to set realistic goals for yourself and to celebrate your progress along the way. By setting realistic goals, you can stay focused on what you want to achieve and avoid feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Celebrating your progress can also help you stay motivated and committed to your workout plan, as it allows you to see how far you've come and how much you've accomplished. Another strategy is to find a workout buddy or join a fitness community. Working out with a partner or group can help you stay accountable and motivated, as you can encourage and support each other along the way. It's also important to find a workout routine that you enjoy and that fits your lifestyle. If you don't enjoy your workouts, you may struggle to stay motivated over the long term. By finding a workout routine that you enjoy, you can stay motivated and committed to your plan over time. Finally, it's important to take care of your body and to rest when you need to. Overtraining or pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout or injury, which can derail your progress and make it harder to stay motivated. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, and take rest days when you need to. By being motivated and committed to your workout plan over the long term, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy the many benefits of a healthy and active lifestyle. Remember that building a workout plan is a process, and it's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your desired results and maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. The sixth step in building a workout plan is to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come, as well as identify areas where you may need to make adjustments to your plan. There are many ways to track your progress, such as keeping a workout journal, taking progress photos, or using a fitness app or wearable device. By tracking your progress, you can see how your body is changing and adapting to your workouts and make adjustments to your plan as needed. For example, if you're not seeing the results you want, you may need to adjust your workout routine or diet to better support your goals. Or if you're experiencing pain or discomfort during your workouts, you may need to modify your exercises or seek medical advice. It's also important to adjust your plan as your goals change over time. For example, if you achieve your initial goals, you may want to set new goals or adjust your workout routine to maintain your progress. Or if you experience a setback or injury, you may need to modify your plan to accommodate your needs. Remember that building a workout plan is a process, and it's important to be flexible and adaptable as you work towards your goals. By tracking your progress and making adjustments along the way, you can stay motivated and committed to your plan over the long term and achieve the results you desire. Building a workout plan can be a challenging and rewarding process that requires patience, dedication, and hard work. By following these 6 steps and staying motivated and committed to your plan, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy the many benefits of a healthy and active lifestyle. Remember to be flexible and adaptable, and to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. With dedication and hard work, you can build a workout plan that supports your goals and helps you achieve the results you desire. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!